Hi everyone, welcome back to this video series, and I hope you through this video series you gain second experience I guess, yeah, on how to design a one-page website with Elementor. And I'm doing this video on the go, one go, without any editing or without any preparations. So I hope you learn real experience. Yeah, in my previous episode, yeah, I suggest you to add more sample posts before we move on to the main designing. And here I have also added 6 sample posts. Okay, this will be our to populate the blog page layout. And in our previous episode, we have designed the header. So now let's design the footer. Go to LA Studio Kit, Theme Builder, and this is the template OceanWP Premium Template that we're redesigning. And basically this is very minimalistic footer. So add new, select footer template, let's call it footer, create new template. Okay, and let's insert 2-column section like this. Sorry, it is loading. Okay, 2-column section and vertical align middle, and padding about 20 at the top, 20 at the bottom. Okay, and section background color, let's choose black. Okay, then is copyright. We do not have copyright widget. Then let's use this. I think text editor is much better. Text editor widget. So here, and copy, then okay, OceanWP Premium Template, design with Elementor. Okay, and color white. Okay, next, social icons. Social icons is very important, even though it is personal website or any company website. Social links is very important nowadays. And here style size 20. Okay, then custom color, primary color transparent. Okay, and icon hover, primary color. Okay, like this. And for responsive, align this at the center. Same for the icons, aligned at the center for mobile screens. Okay, and for tablet, I think it is enough. Then we are done. Publish it, add condition, entire website, save and close, and we are done with the footer too. Okay, exit to dashboard. We have created sample posts, we have created the header, we have created the footer. So I think we have done all the setup and preparations. Now we can move into the main. Here edit this home page with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Okay. Here. Okay, this is default. Okay, even though we are using Elementor full white, this breadcrumb is coming up. Yeah, this is from inherited from the OceanWP theme. This we do not like this, so exit to okay, update this and exit to dashboard. Remove this first before we design it. On the home page we do not need the breadcrumb or title. Here title, disable, breadcrumb, disable. Okay, update it. Edit forward. Okay, now we can insert a 2-column section. Then advance, about 200 at the top, 200 at the bottom, then style, background image. Let's upload it. Yeah, this is the one. This one I downloaded from unspace.com. You can just search Nutritionist and you will find few images that we can use for background here. Okay, size, cover. Attachment, fix. That's it. Then we can move on. How can I help you? How can I help you? I'm your nutritionist. Here, color, choose color, black. Then size, little larger. Yeah, what about 40? Okay, 40 fine. Font weight about 500. Okay, line height about 1.5. Oh, emphasis. Okay, emphasis 1.2, 1.3. okay, and the color is little low, little darker. Okay, then this divider curly, yep, center align. Oh, all these are center aligned. Is it good? Yeah, I will align to the left. Color, okay, and percentage white about 50%. okay, then description. Okay, descriptive text. Then button. Okay, I think, yeah, let's see if we have dual button widget. Jacket dual button. Okay, left align. About me, contact me. Okay, so button 1, instead of about me, I will prefer programs, my programs. Okay, first my programs, link to programs section, programs. Okay, then button 2, okay, that's fine. Contact me, and link to contact section, like this. Button white, button gap, what about 15? Oh, great. Now what we can do, go to style, like this. First one is transparent, second one is solid. Button 1, background color transparent, reduce the opacity to 0, and border type solid, sorry, dotted. Okay, dotted, 1 pixel, color orange, border radius 30. I think padding is a little too much, so adding at the top 10, bottom 10. Normal color, okay, orange. My programs, hey, I have selected dotted but dash. Okay, dash is fine. Next, button 2, background color orange, then okay, that's on hover, then Okay. This is just padding. Top 10, bottom 10, and border radius 30. Okay. And we need border solid color orange. So that we can so that the dual buttons are of the same size without the border, and the right side button looks a little smaller. That's why we need to add a border, even though it is the same color with the background. Okay, and yeah, we are almost done. So let's add hover for this one. Button to first, hover, background color transparent, and my text color orange, border dash 1 pixel, color orange, like this too. Yeah. Okay, and same goes for button 1. Go to button 1, style, hover, background color solid, and text color white, then border solid 1 pixel, color primary. Okay, and we are done. I think this divider is little longer, so reduce it to about 35%. Okay, how can I help you? I'm Laura Bidel, your personality series, just blah blah blah, and the button. Okay, yeah, almost the same. That's it. And let's give this section, go to the section setting, edit section, right click and edit section, advanced. Let's give this section ID home. This is with the home. There we have given the hashtag home link to the home page, and this home button menu navigation. Okay, and yeah, we are done for this video. And in the next episode, let's continue to design the rest of the one page website. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you learn something new. I hope you get inspired, and I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for the next episode.